Bloxburg roleplay. This roleplay is with me as in dad, and then with my little bitty child. What's your name? Itty bitty child? Child, state your name. Perfect. Okay, so we are the okay, this will work. This will work. Perfect. So and like and favorite this video. Okay, right into the video. Okay, Violet, go pick your room. Breakfast will be yeah. We're just going to call it dinner. Great choice for room. Okay, you get ready for lunch, and then we're going straight swimming into our pool. Okay, so what should we make here? What if I just take some pork chops? I'll eat some before she gets. Here, and then the dishwasher right there, and then wait, what? Yeah, my dishwasher is full. See, tactics when you're doing something, just go in your fridge and look for something random, but not your holiday cookies because they are way too superior to ever leave your fridge. And way too superior is too superior. Oh. Okay. So, come on. It's lunch. Eat your pork chops. Okay, so what she doesn't know is I have the prettiest bathing suit ever. Prettiest bathing suit ever. You didn't hear that part. My swimsuit. Okay, so let's go. I'm just going up to the. Now it works. You have to clean your dishes, okay, Violet? Then you gotta swim. So you have to start up the dishwasher, then you can swim. Then, if you want, which you will have to, do your dirty laundry. And then we'll just play in the game room all day. Crits to building or to IC roleplay. Go sub to our channel. Zoe _ takes. Sub to your channel, no problem. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump while she's doing chores. I just gotta swim. Oh yeah, I'm a dolphin. Okay, where is that little rascal? Ooh! I just gained 20 pounds. Okay, where's that rascal? Ooh, she's upstairs doing laundry like a good rascal. So, what? Where'd she go? What? Oh, okay. Okay, so little darling girl Violet, I'm going out to the store to get some beans, because we just need beans. I will be back in a jiffy. If I get in a car accident, you have to pick me up. Thank you, and bye-bye. Actually, no. Come with me. Come with me. This kid sure do say K's a lot. Come on. I grabbed. Come on, we're going somewhere very fun. No limo. What she doesn't know is we're going to the river. We're going on a very special birthday. You heard what? You heard nothing. Nothing, I tell you. You heard nothing. Yes, that's right, little girl. That's right. Hmm. Violet, have you been eating the beans again? I told you not to eat any of those. My beans. I just looked at our beanometer. Well, I mean, I won't have to deal with that anymore after this. Pete? Huh? Why are you so worried? I mean, there's nothing to worry about. Okay, we're here at our stop. The observatory. I knew you would love it because it's basically your birthday. So, come on out. Get out. Get out. Get out. No! Come on, let's take a look at the view. Do you want me to do that thing like, that Rafiki did the Simba? And you'll be Rafiki, and I'll be Rafiki, and you'll be Simba? You want to do that? That'll be really fun. Here, I hold you off the edge, and then it's cool, and it's memories. Okay. But are you sure you can hold me? Now this is where we run. Finally, rid of the kid. Well, now I gotta move. We're gonna move far away where she'll never find me, ever in the career of finding. You know, maybe one day that kid will be a star and I just left the best amount. Do I regret it at all? Nah, I don't think I will. I wonder where she is now. Well, at least she didn't suspect it. Oh, that laugh though. I really do need to get the stairs in wall. I have an idea. I found that there's an abandoned house that was said that Grandma owned it, but maybe it was Piggy instead. But I'm not that quite sure. Maybe if I go visit it and try to escape it, I mean, I don't know. Back to the old mansion. See if I can see her anywhere. Ooh, what's this house? Ooh, I wonder who built it. Let's try to go in. Let's look through all the windows. There's a car. Ooh, there's a nice backyard. I like the pool. This is nice. So I wonder if I can just break in here. Oh no, the owner's back. Gotta run, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run. I will escape. No, they're coming. See, that's what happened. Oh, bubble, bubble, nubble, bubble, bubble. They're coming. Wait, do they know how to get up though? That should do it. should do it. Well, I guess there's nothing else to do, but... Ooh, I gotta run from the cops. Wait! The cops are here! The cops are here! Oh no, it's the cops. Ah!